Tax credits can help reduce your tax liability, dollar for dollar. Unlike tax deductions, which only reduce the amount of your income subject to tax, tax credits are a direct reduction of your tax bill. In this video, we'll discuss 5 of the best tax credits you should be aware of. Premium Tax Credit (PTC). The Premium Tax Credit, or PTC, is available to those who purchase health insurance through the health insurance marketplace. Eligibility is based on income and household size. The credit can help reduce the cost of monthly premiums and lower out-of-pocket expenses for those who qualify. Example: Sarah is a single mom with 2 kids who earns $35,000 a year. She purchases health insurance through the marketplace and is eligible for a $200 premium tax credit each month. American Opportunity Tax Credit (AOTC). The American Opportunity Tax Credit, or AOTC, is available to those who are pursuing higher education. This credit can help cover the costs of tuition, fees, and course materials. Eligibility is based on income and educational expenses. Example: John is a full-time college student who paid $4,000 in tuition and fees last year. His parents claim him as a dependent on their tax return, but they are not eligible for the AOTC. However, John is eligible for a $1,000 tax credit to help cover his educational expenses. Lifetime Learning Credit (LLC). The Lifetime Learning Credit, or LLC, is another tax credit available for those pursuing higher education. Unlike the AOTC, the LLC is available to both part-time and full-time students, as well as those who are taking classes to improve their job skills. Eligibility is also based on income and educational expenses. Example: Amy is a part-time student who takes classes at night to improve her job skills. She paid $2,500 in tuition and fees last year and is eligible for a $500 lifetime learning credit. Child Tax Credit (CTC). The Child Tax Credit, or CTC, is available to parents who have dependent children under the age of 17. The credit is worth up to $2,000 per child and is partially refundable. Eligibility is based on income and the number of children in the household. Example: Tom and his wife have 2 children under the age of 17. They are eligible for a $4,000 child tax credit, which will help reduce their tax liability. Child and Dependent Care Credit (CDCC). The Child and Dependent Care Credit, or CDCC, is available to those who pay for child care expenses so that they can work or look for work. The credit is worth up to $3,000 for 1 child or up to $6,000 for 2 or more children. Eligibility is based on income and the amount of child care expenses paid. Example: Lisa and her husband pay $8,000 a year for child care expenses for their 2 children while they work. They are eligible for a $4,800 child and dependent care credit, which will help offset the cost of childcare. By taking advantage of these tax credits, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to see which credits you qualify for and how to claim them properly.